Save my marriage today. Sometimes situations are unpredictable and ending a relationship may be the only option for an individual, which is true particularly in case of marital relationships. When it happens with you, don't get scared or panic, just calm down and start to think seriously about how I can save my marriage today. If you strongly wish to maintain a relationship and save your marriage, you will definitely find some ways to resolve the problems in your married life. Today, we can see that the problems in the married life of many people are increasing. Several people today tend to get separated due to stressful and troublesome married life. However, as it leaves adverse effects on the emotional, personal and social life of both the partners, everyone first tries to solve the problems in married life and save a marriage by applying several ways. It may happen at times that things deteriorate. It is at this moment that you should convince yourself, I need to save my marriage today, and not let things go entirely out of your hands. Try to find out the solutions to resolve the problems in your married life with greater fervor. The first step you should take is to understand the exact reasons for the problems. Unresolved conflicts, lack of communication, extramarital affair, excessive fighting, and children issues, a suffocating partner and addictive behavior may be reasons of marriage problems which may give rise to misunderstandings and conflicts. Once you come to know about the problems, you look for the effective solutions. It is not easy to keep the relationships alive, it needs a lot of efforts. You may require a lot of patience and tolerance. If you are determined to stay with your spouse forever and are wondering how to save my marriage today, then you may opt for self-assessment, increasing communication between you and your spouse, and go for the marriage counseling. If ego of either or both partners is the reason of the conflicts in married life, then you can overcome it by giving it away and by taking an initiative to resolve the problems. You should be able to think about your mistakes and bring about improvements in your behavior. Good communication is an essential factor to progress the interpersonal relationships. You should be able to share all your problems and feelings with your partner as well. Listen to your partner and understand. You should keep aside some time from your busy schedule and spend it with your partner. Go away for outing with your spouse and make some romantic plans for the vacations. Express your love for your partner in different ways, such as sending romantic messages, writing love poems, preparing romantic meals, or offering the romantic gifts to your partner. If it does not work and the problem still persists, you can seek some other options. You may talk with your family or friends and seek their advice. If you don't feel it comfortable, you can go for marriage counseling, which can help the couples to improve their communication skills, find out the differences and understand the troubles of couple. It offers a good opportunity to couples to share their feelings and helps to clear the misunderstanding. Some people may also choose a trial separation. Save a marriage starting today is the strong desire of most people who have understood the importance of marriage. They should keep trying to overcome the problems in married life and enjoy the wonderful moments with their partner.